everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your any project like your jeans sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater, blanket. You can knit this pattern in your any project. I have done with this border and this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 12 plus 8 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 12, this pattern is made of 6 and this pattern is made of 6, right? 6 plus 6, 12, 12, 12 and 6 extra stitch here and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 12. I have only one repeat, which is 12 plus 8 extra stitch 20 and 2 edge stitch 22. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side your edge stitch knit and knit 1. And now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, wrap the yarn around like so, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 and then pass this yarn over this 2 stitch, pass over, psso, right? psso, we are going to call it psso, and we are going to do this 3 times, 1, total 3 times, 1, wrap the yarn around, knit 2, 1, 2 and then pass over, pass this yarn over this 2 stitch, 2 times, one more time, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2 and then pass over. We have done here 6 stitch, and for next 6 stitch knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the repeat from here to here. This 6 stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then knit 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the repeat pattern. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats for a last 2, 4, 6, 8, last 8 stitch, you are going to knit this pattern here as well. Yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2 and then pass over, 1, total 3 times, 1, yarn over, knit 2 and pass over, 2, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 3 times and then last 2 more stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Row 3. For row 3, knit edge row 1, your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and knit 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, pass over, 3 times, 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 2, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 3 times, and here knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's the repeat from here to here, these 6 stitch and knit 6, and last 2, 4, 6, 8, last 8 stitch, yarn over, knit 2, pass over 3 times, 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 2, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 3 times, and knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side. For row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. Now for row 5, now from row 5 we're gonna alternate these patterns. Now we're gonna knit this pattern here and this pattern here. So row 5, edge stitch, slip, knit twice on the right side, and then knit 1 and knit 6. So we're gonna knit this pattern here and this pattern here. So knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6, and then yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 2, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 3 times. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and then this 6 stitch. Last 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, for row 7 knit edge row 5, edge stitch, slip, knit twice, and then knit 1. Start the repeat from here, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 6, and then here yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 1, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 2, yarn over, knit 2, pass over, 3 times. That's the repeat. Knit 6, 2, 4, 6, and then this 6 stitch, and last 8 stitch, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 6 and knit 1, edge stitch knit on the right side. Now row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. This is 1 repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.